Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to deactivate Shopify Payments. To deactivate Shopify Payments, please go to Settings. And from here, select the payment providers. Also click on Manage. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of that page. And click on the red Deactivate Shopify Payments button. If Shopify Payments is currently active, you should see an option to deactivate or disable it, then click on this option. Follow any prompts or confirmation steps that Shopify provides to complete the deactivation process. If you're disabling Shopify Payments because you want to use another payment provider, now make sure you have to set up and activate the alternative provider. After deactivating Shopify Payments and making any other necessary changes, be sure to save your settings. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.